The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Cagayan in Region 2 or Cagayan Valley region. The province of Cagayan has the city of Tuguegarao as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Region 2 or Cagayan Valley region. It is composed of one city, 28 municipalities, and 820 barangays. It was founded on June 29, 1583. The total land area is 9,398.07 kilometers squared or 3,628.82 square miles. The province of Cagayan is bordered clockwise from the north by the Balintang Channel, Philippine Sea, Isabela, Kalinga, Apayao, and Ilocos Norte. Here are the different municipalities and city comprising the province of Cagayan in Region 2 or Cagayan Valley region. We have the municipality of Abulog with 20 barangays, municipality of Alcala with 25 barangays, municipality of Alacapan with 27 barangays, municipality of Amulong with 47 barangays, municipality of Apari with 42 barangays, municipality of Bagao with 48 barangays, municipality of Ballesteros with 19 barangays, and the municipality of Bagi with 30 barangays. We also have the municipality of Calayan with 12 barangays, municipality of Camalaniugan with 28 barangays, municipality of Claveria with 41 barangays, municipality of Enrile with 22 barangays, municipality of Gataran with 50 barangays, municipality of Gonzaga with 25 barangays, municipality of Igig with 23 barangays, and the municipality of Lalio with 35 barangays. We also have the municipality of Lasam with 30 barangays, municipality of Pamplona with 18 barangays, municipality of Piña Blanca with 24 barangays, municipality of Piat with 18 barangays, municipality of Rizal with 29 barangays, municipality of Sanchez Mira with 18 barangays, municipality of Santa Ana with 16 barangays, and the municipality of Santa Praxides with 10 barangays. We also have the municipality of Santa Teresita with 13 barangays, municipality of Santo Niño with 31 barangays, municipality of Solana with 38 barangays, municipality of Tuaw with 32 barangays, and the city of Tuguegarao, which also serves as the provincial capital and the regional center for Cagayan Valley region with 49 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities and city comprising the province of Cagayan in Region 2 or Cagayan Valley region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.